the chopped cheese sandwich. Easily one of the most epic sandwiches there is.
So in true Grills Next Door fashion, we are going to take a chopped cheese sandwich, multiply it by 10, carry the 6, times pi, divide by 4.
That's
and
a lot.
come with us, let's go.
That was great. You did great.
The boys are having way too much fun. This seems super extra.
Yeah. This is gonna be one of those late night meals.
So first we're gonna cut the lettuce. But here's the thing, Greg didn't press record.
I'm new to this.
So our lettuce is cut.
Look at that.
Hey Greg, are we filming this time?
You know, this time I actually pressed the button. We're good.
So next we're gonna slice the tomatoes. So we're gonna do some like decently hefty, nothing too crazy, but like enough that it's gonna hold its own here.
Yeah, some weight to it.
Yeah, I feel like that's probably good right there.
It's time for you to do your favorite part, and that is cutting.
I'm not gonna cut the onions. I think
What?
you should cut the onions.
All right, fine.
Yeah, I'm tired of cutting onions.
All right, fine. Take.
I don't want to do it anymore.
Time to cut some onions. So get a rough chop of the onion, cut it in half. It has many layers, like me.
Greg's definitely gonna show off his cutting skills.
Then we're just gonna cut this.
Here's the show off again. Oh, I'm Greg. I can cut onions fast.
Dude, you might cut off a finger.
Yeah, he's definitely gonna cut off a finger one day.
Just like that.
Great job, Greg.
We're gonna come over to our griddle. We've got it set on medium high. We're gonna throw some oil down, take the meat, and then season it up. This is the traditional seasoning. This is that adobo all-purpose seasoning.
Over under, how many times do you think they're gonna make a seasoned meat joke?
Let's play a drinking game.
And again, no one likes unseasoned meat.
Thumbs up.
We're chopping that up. Oh yeah, we're already getting that nice brown look on here. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our onion and we're gonna drop our onion on the meat and incorporate the onion with the meat. As I'm using this, you remember back in the day when you were sick and you used to watch the Bob Ross painting shows?
Vaguely, all I remember is just
what
like
this reminds
adding
me of.
happy little trees is kind of.
Well, yeah, you use the scraper to add a happy little tree.
Yeah.
That's
I don't
literally
know
what
the
this
tool.
reminds me of right now. All right, so that's looking good to me, amigo. We've got a double cheese aspect to it, so someone needs to come over here and make some grilled cheese sandwiches. You want to tag in?
All right, boom.
Let's go.
Here you go. So because we like things over the top.
Way over the top. Solid movie, by the way.
I've never seen it.
What? You've never seen Over the Top?
No.
That's the Sylvester Stallone arm wrestling movie.
Yeah.
Where he's the world arm wrestling
You can
champion
explain
and he
it, I
wins a
still haven't
truck.
seen
Like,
it.
you still haven't seen it, so
Yeah.
me explaining it's not helping?
No.
Oh, my God.
Like Sylvester Stallone, we like things over the top.
Hey-o!
Is that better?
Yeah, that was really good.
Perfect. We're gonna make our buns using grilled cheese sandwiches. We're gonna take 3 slices of cheese. We're gonna load these up. So we're gonna take a little butter. We're gonna rub it on the griddle.
I was wondering where my last stick of butter went.
I was thinking that too.
I started buying it too.
Yes.
I buy that butter.
You use cheap shit for this
No, actually, it made it taste better. Grass fed.
So I'm gonna let both sides toast before I put them together. So we're gonna throw the dome over. Just let it steam for a second. Give it a little flip. I can see the cheese starting to, oh yeah, it's starting to melt a little bit now. All right, so we'll take one more little peek here. Yeah, I'm feeling good about these.
Is that my cue?
That's your cue. Let's do it.
Switch! So we're gonna take all of our white American cheese and we're going to slap it all over that meat, mix it in, and you've got yourself your chopped cheese meat. Boom. Tick-tock throw.
Yeah, we don't need to do that here, but
Tick-tock throw.
Greg insists.
Now that the cheese is starting to melt, we are going to chop that cheese up.
Hey, so this is why they call it chopped cheese.
That's why they call it chopped cheese, because you are chopping your cheese,
Oh, hey, look at that.
melting it. And that is awesome.
That looks great.
At this point, let's make some sandwiches.
Let's do it.
So we're gonna grab our grilled cheese sandwiches. We are going to take a slather of mayo on each and just spread it across just like that. Now this is nice and cheesy. We're gonna grab this mixture off the griddle and we're going to place it on our sandwich. We're gonna take some Heinz 57 ketchup. Sometimes you do a zig, but this time you do a zag. Now we're gonna take our thinly chopped lettuce and we're going to place that over top of our heaping pile of cheesy meat. 2 slices of tomato, and there's only one thing left to do.
Yeah.
Take that and,
Dude, that's ridiculous.
I mean,
I don't even know what to call that. That's like,
That's a sandwich. So it's getting dark. It's time for dinner. Dig in,
so
dude.
let's do it.
Dig in.
I don't even know where to start with this, but we're just gonna do it.
Yeah.
Dude, this is so good. I know I say that every time, but it really is so good.
That sandwich was pretty damn good. I mean, that's what dreams are made of.
I mean, at least there's some veggie on that, right?
Good job, boys.
Yeah, good job.
Follow. Do all the things. What do the kids say?
Mold. I don't know. Do the
He is.
things.
Do the things. Until next time, let's go.
Let's go.